Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to file your income tax return using Yono SBI. First, gather all your essential documents like Form 16 and other income proofs. Next, log into your Yono SBI application and locate the e-filing section. We will then walk through each step of the process, ensuring you accurately input your financial details and successfully submit your return. This method simplifies tax compliance significantly. Before you begin, ensure you have all your crucial documents organized. Your Form 16 is vital for salary income and tax deducted at source. Don't forget your bank statements to account for any interest income or eligible deductions. Also, have all your investment proofs, such as those for Section 80C, ready to claim maximum tax benefits. Proper preparation saves time and prevents errors. Once your documents are prepared, open the Yono SBI app and log in securely. Look for the e-tax or income tax option within the main menu. From there, you will select the relevant assessment year and the correct income tax form, such as ITR1 or ITR2. Proceed to accurately fill in all your financial information, including income, deductions, and taxes paid, following the on-screen prompts. After entering all your details, take a moment to meticulously review everything. Double-check all figures, especially income and deductions, to avoid any discrepancies. Once you are confident, confirm the final tax calculation and proceed with the e-verification process, which is crucial for successful filing. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals to enhance your home. Your return is now filed.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.